Hello students, today I am explaining you a very important topic, that is Pythagoras theorem. So we write here first of all statement. In a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of square of other two sides. You know that the right angle triangle means if one of the angle is in a triangle, if one of the angle is 90 degree, then that is said to be right angle triangle. So consider this is a right angle triangle. We write here given in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. So this is right angle triangle. Now we have to prove that, see here, the square of hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means what? The side opposite to 90 degree. जो 90 डिग्री के सामने वाली जो साइड है, that is the hypotenuse. So square of hypotenuse, that means AC square, is equal to the sum of square of other two sides. Other two sides are AB and BC. AB square plus BC square. Now we have to construct. यहाँ एक construction करना पड़ेगा. Construction is we have to draw a perpendicular on hypotenuse from vertex, this vertex. So draw BD perpendicular to AC. Now this theorem we prove कि भाई ये theorem similarity criteria से करना है. तो similarity criteria कैसे होगा? This triangle ABD, BCD and ABC, these three triangles are similar to each other. So in triangle ABD and triangle, angle is common, complete triangle for this triangle. So we have to write A, BD, ECB. Angle A equal to angle A, that is common angle. Angle ADB equal to angle ABC, that is each is 90 degree. Therefore triangle ABD is similar to triangle ACB by criteria AA criteria. Now we take here the ratios, that is AB upon AC and AD upon AB. What is the reason? Corresponding parts of similar triangle. रेशियो हमको ऐसे लेना है ताकि ये स्क्वायर आ जाए. AB upon AC and AD upon AB. Now cross multiplying. AC multiplied by AD. AB into AB, AB square. This is statement 1. Now we take this triangle and this triangle. So in triangle BCD and triangle ACB. ACD and ACB. See here, angle C is common. In this triangle BCD and ACB, angle C is common angle. And BDC, angle BDC and angle ABC, BDC, ABC, because each is 90 degree. Hence, these two triangles are similar. By which criteria? Again, AA criteria, angle criteria. Again, we take ratio here BC upon AC. अभी हमको BC स्क्वायर लाना है, तो BC upon AC. This is BC corresponding CD. DC upon BC. CD or BC. DC. Corresponding parts of similar triangle. Now by cross multiplying, we get AC multiplied by DC. BC into BC, BC square. This is second statement. See here, we want here AB square plus BC square. So we have to add first and second statement by adding 1 and 2. Then we get AC into AD plus AC into DC. So AB square plus BC square. Now take AC common. Then we get AD plus DC equal to AB square plus BC square. See here, AD plus DC is what? AC from figure. AB square plus BC square. Now AC multiplied by AC is AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, hence proved. So students, I hope you understood this.